Hello guys, I have ordered camlin postal colors and canvas. So let's unbox it and how it is and see how it is. So these are the camel canvas. It is 13 to 30 centimeter and it is postal colors with 18 shades, and it has free palette and brush. So let's unbox it. So it is a camlin brush, a palette, and these are the 18 shades. It is a gold color. Then we have white color. Then chrome, yellow, medium, huey color, and lemon yellow, orange, postal red, and we have purple color, and it is cobalt blue. It is light blue color, light green, dark green, and the second it is violet. And we have peach, yellow orchard, Persian blue, and it is Christmas, and we have maroon type and black. Guys, there is no leakage in the bottles of poster color. It is a glass type bottle. This is not plastic, and the brush quality is good. I will send a review of this both product, and the poster colors cost me of 250 rupees, and the canvas one piece is cost me 100 rupees. Thank you. Like, share, comment.